there. In this video, we're going to show you best practices for make-along engagement and community management on GoSadi. Once you've decided to host your make-along on GoSadi, it's best practices to do the first post to get your community excited about posting. You could do something as simple as welcome to the fun zone, or you could do something much more important like details and all of the pattern information. So for example, you could do something much more serious like, let's say, here we go, all the details. And you could add a supply list. You could add gauge notes, yarn suggestions, and you could put some links here, more links here, if you can use affiliate links if you have them. And then you could put some things like details of dates or timelines that you hope to hit. And then once you have that post, you can even make this one the pinned post at the top, so that no matter what comes in, hello there, behind it, that's always going to be the pinned post at the top with all of your details about the make-along. Either way, what you want to do when you start hosting your make-along is show the community how they can engage in the platform and in the make-along group itself. People get to leave a note. So you could, if you had gone back and left, let's say you left that supply list, and you could say something fun like, everyone drop an emoji when you selected your yarn. Or you could even say, or better yet, share a yarn pic. And then people can reply, so post that, right? And let's say people can reply either by replying with the yarn that they got, a link to it, or they could give you that emoji drop right there. So I could say, oops, I got my emoji. There's my yarn emoji. I got yarn. So whoever got yarn can add a yarn emoji. So there's lots of fun ways to encourage the initial engagement. You also want to remind everyone that this works on mobile. They just have to go to community.gosadi.com or makers.gosadi.com and log in. Go to the community feature on the left here, and they'll be right in their make-along zone. The other thing that you want to always make sure that you're doing is checking for members who applied. If you have a private make-along or an invitation-only make-along, you can manage that in your Manage Members area. And that's where you'll see anyone who applied to join and be a participant. You can also upgrade any member to be a moderator to help you out with managing the make-along. You want to make sure that you're leading the posts, and that will get everyone else to post with you. You also want to make sure that you start your project on the day to show everybody how to start their project. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and start the project for this demo. I'm going to call it the Make-Along demo version. And then you'll see down below, you would add any yarn information, and then you'll see down below demo update. And then down here, if they have Ravelry, they could sync it to Ravelry, but they want to make sure they select share on my make-along. And then that way you'll see, boom, hey, I just started my project, and everyone can see my project page, and we can cheer each other on and see everything that we are making. As they update and add more updates in more photos, it will appear on this page, and they can keep updating on the make-along page. So again, as the host, you want to encourage engagement and participation from your make-along people, and this will be the most fun way and the best practices to do that. Can't wait to see what everybody makes on your make-alongs.